my god, you guys, we finally got our Barbie Extra Fancy. She's finally here. Yes, Barbie Extra Fancy. So, yeah, let's get right into it. I've got Miss Vintage Barbie here because we're going to be dressing our Vintage Barbie in this Barbie Extra Fancy outfit. And I'm really excited because she has these really cool sunglasses, and let's check her out. All these nice accessories, gold earrings, and a purse. Cute little poodle. And I really love our friends here. But yeah, so I'm gonna try to unbox her really carefully so we can try to keep her nice, and maybe we can put her back into the box. But yeah, I love the graphics here. And she has this headband and perfume. Yeah, you guys have probably already seen people open this, but we're going to be unboxing her and dressing her in vintage Barbie clothes and her in the Barbie Extra Fancy clothes. So yeah, let's get into it. Let's do it. So first, let's see. Let's see if I can show you guys how I'm going to open this. Let's see. Oh yeah, so you just cut along the edge here. There's just a few pieces. Okay, I'm going to do this off camera. I'll show you guys when I'm all done. Okay? Okay, yes, y'all, so I opened it, and now it's kind of like this door. So that's kind of cool. Yeah, so let's try to get her all out and without, messing up the box even more. Yeah, so we got her out of her box. Here she is. Yes, Barbie Extra Fancy. I really like her shoes, and I like her glasses. Yeah, they have lots of style to them. Yes, and her hair is super long and luscious. Yes, I love the different colors in it. And all her necklaces. I'm definitely going to take these off so we can put them on our vintage Barbie. So yeah, we've got all these. This one says Barbie Extra on it. It's really cute. And this one is like a pearl necklace. Oh, this one is all connected. Look at this one, y'all. Wow, look at that. That is special. Super extra. That's like some Vivienne Westwood stuff. I love her gold earrings. It's very hard to take out. I'm gonna carefully take those out later, y'all. But yeah, we'll probably trim her bangs a little bit. Give a little trim right here. I want her to look more pin-up girl, like 1940s bangs. Almost Betty Pagey. That's what I'm envisioning. Yes, Betty Page Barbie. Okay, anyway. Yeah, so let's try this outfit on this vintage Barbie. What do you guys think? Yeah. Okay. So, here we